What they mad for? In my bag, heard you little bitches mad, heard you mad, ho. What you mad for? Ho, I don't give a fuck. Big bang, got these motherfuckers big mad. Big bag, and they know that I'm that bitch niggas big mad. Yeah.
What's good, gang, and happy new year. Welcome back to PlusSize ByDefault. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'll wait. And if you're returning, what the fuck is good, gang? Y'all already know how we give it up around here. You better let these newbies know. But anyway, again, happy new year. It is 2019 and we are off to a fresh start. You feel me? We're coming through with vibrance, with darkness. You're not thinking that for the new year, but me, I'm thinking all year's opposite day. Everything that I didn't do last year, we're gonna do this year. You feel me? Like, this is what we're gonna do. So let's get this ball rolling. Let's just jump right into the tutorial. I don't want to talk too much, but just remember, if you have any questions, any comments, anything pertaining to this video or to me, make sure you drop it down below. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. I love you guys. Oh, and of course, I always forget to tell y'all shit, but please let me know how you guys like my new intro. I worked super hard on it, and I'm in love, so I thought you guys would like it. Love you guys. Keep watching. Welcome back, and again, happy new year. So in this video, I'm pretty much going to show you guys technique over product. Product I'm going to list and I'm going to put in the video so you guys can see it full blown clear. But this video is more about technique. So if you guys have any questions or have any ideas on how I can update my technique, please drop them in the description bar. So starting off, I want to give you a pro tip when it comes to cleaning your eyebrows and preparing for a vibrant or maybe a darker eyeshadow. Usually I will use a lighter, as you can see, a way lighter concealer, and then I'll blend it out with a concealer brush because it'll give me a super flat base, but it'll also keep it opaque. Most people use sponges, which absorb more of the product, and you find yourself putting on more product. So we want to avoid that, and we want to try this concealer method. Now, as you can see, placing the color on, look how vibrant it is. I don't have to do too much. I literally just swatched and went. Then I'm going to take this darker blue color because you want to do an ombre effect. You want to kind of lead up from this color to the next color. You want to give it like a bridge. Instead of jumping off a cliff, you want to give it some leeway. And then you're going to do that gradually with the next colors. You know, keep it going. Always remember to keep your current brushes because you're always going to go back and use them. Because I usually blend from the top to the bottom. I never do my lid first. So to me, it took more time to blend out the top than anything, but you know, to each his own. Tip. So if you want to kind of glide through glitter quickly, pick up these Revlon art sticks because you can combine them with other glitters as well. Just dip the brush in and apply, because it makes it easier also to apply the eyeshadow, which is what I'm doing now. But you want to do this while it's wet because it'll give it more of a pop. Pro tip. I know a lot of you guys like or want to try under eye mascara. You want to move the brush side to side first and then split the hairs up with the brush being horizontal. So you want to start vertical, then go horizontal. Now on to my favorite part. So this part was kind of unexpected, but it is what it is. I'm going to show you guys how to draw fireworks. So I'm going to be using the NYX Vivid Brights cream color pot things. I don't know. I'll put them in the description bar. But I pretty much bought every one of them, and I'm going to use those as a base. And then on top of that, I'm going to use the Vivid Bright liners to kind of give it more of a flare. Make it give kind of that 3D effect. Yeah, man, y'all see what I'm talking about. again, happy freaking New Year. So if you watch this far, I appreciate you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Love you guys. See you in the next one.
Big bang, got these motherfuckers big mad. Big bag and they know that I'm that bitch niggas big mad. Yeah.